How's it going?
Pretty good.
Good.
Getting my teeth cleaned here above,
Nice. A 30 mark, and you'll have a face that'll shine.
Yeah.
Nice place. Like this now.
Yeah.
Where do you been?
And just Visoko.
Just Visoko.
Yeah.
You go on pyramids.
The pyramid and the tunnel
Yeah.
and the river.
So do you believe in pyramids?
I don't know, it's new. New idea. Plus 5 years? Or total 5 years?
5 years total.
Total?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's pretty good.
This tooth is back.
Hmm? The back one? Oh.
The last.
Oh.
So Jason, how's your Bosnian haircut going?
It's going good.
Yeah? Is this makeover Visoko?
Visoko.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, she's doing a good job with
And what is your name?
scissors.
Amina.
Amina? Good.
Yeah. What's that mean? Anything? No.
It's Muslim.
It's a Muslim name?
Yeah.
You're Muslim?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Are you strict? You drink alcohol?
These strawberries look like they're all so bad. Four-leaf clover in front of an Ottoman Empire built mosque in Sarajevo, Bosnia.
Soldiers from Bosnia and Herzegovina.
So this is from
Yeah, it's all
part
over
of
the
the Herzegovina. And it's, so it's actually piped in underneath.
Yeah.
So when people get cold in the wintertime,
Yeah.
they can come here and...
Usually people who don't have a house and this stuff.
And
came here
how long has it been burning?
from Second World War.
Second World War?
Yeah, that was for partisan from
wow.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Okay.
And when it's really windy,
Yeah.
it just...
Not you can't. You see.
come in and they'd order like $7 cups of coffee and not drink them, just to be seen at this place.
I don't like this kind of place.
Never tried it. What is that?
Yeah, I will show you. We have some traditional place. It's really, really traditional. Place for coffee, for nargila, and for tea. Like big bottle.
Bottom?
Yeah.
Oh,
And you know now what?
yeah. I think I've seen it before, but it's kind of expensive, isn't it?
It's not.
Really? In the States, it's like 20 marks.
Ah, come on, it's 5 mark.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. Can we do that? Do we have
Yeah.
time?
And the summer is really beautiful.
I know a person in the United States like that.
Ne mora se možete sam složiti.
nije, ma ne znam, a šta?
Wow.
Hajde dolaze stalno stranci s vaših tu.
So this is kind of... That makes so much rules. I love so much. I just love that.
When I'm tired, I just came here and I'm chilling.
To relax. Yeah.
Kaj sam pričao što je ostavio.
Ja imam osjećaj da
Ja, to ja. Mama me poslala da odnesem ženi neku nake čajeve nešto. I kaže na vrhu Bistrika gore čekat ćete ona. I ja autobusom gore izašla sam ja negdje, ali 2 stanice prije nego njene kuće. Vidim, ja nikog poznatog tu. Pitam ja za ulicu, ne sjećam se kako se zove. Kaže, idi još gore pravo, ubrdo. Hodam, znači, ne znam gdje sam uopšte. Došla Borić sami oko mene. Ti pički, ja majku, kontam da ću pastoru na leđe, da, ne smijem uzbrdo ići. I došla sam, našla sam ja ženu, hajde, dala ja tu sve, 5 ulica, kuda ću se vratiti. Ide, nikad doći.
ništa ne...
Te pitaju gdje si. Moje mame nema čao, zdravlje, gdje si?
Moja mama je
a dobro, ali
najluđa,
gdje si?
moja mama je najluđa, definitivno. Ljuti se ako ja negdje ostanem kasno po drugarci, ozbiljno. Ona mene nazove, ja se javim, halo, kaže,šu pičku mater, ispusti. I onda se ja zavalim od smijeha, ono, tam šta ti?
Hello, so how was it? Good?
It was incredible,
It was good?
especially for me, a new experience.
You're the guide and hunter?
Wonderful. Rested.
Alrighty.
Dark inside. We feel like we're sleeping now.
At least we got to wait for the rain to pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Velmine, tebe nazov! After this bar.
Yeah. Oh, it's so much fun. I used to teach skiing up at a mountain.
Euzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Say the first part of how the prayer starts with Bismillah.
Euzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the first part.
And then the one where it says Ashhadu an.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluhu.
And anything else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else. Okay, great. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
All right, we'll see you.